Each of the 4 multifunction buttons can be set up and reconfigured at any time. To see what is currently assigned to each button, simply swipe left from the right of the screen near buttons 2 and 3. In this case, there are currently no configurations for the multifunction buttons, which can be configured to control an individual device in mimic mode, a group, or recall 1 or 2 scenes from a single tap and/or double tap function. To get started, press the plus sign on the first button to configure, and select again the same button. Now choose the type of function to assign to that multifunction button: device, group, or scene. On the next page, select the room where the device is assigned using the drop-down arrow atop the page, and then select the individual PIXIE device to assign to the button. Press apply. Repeat this process, this time selecting a scene. A multifunction button can be configured to recall one scene on a single press and a different scene on a double press. Select the desired function, choose from the list of scenes, and press apply. To assign a function to the double press, repeat the process. To assign a group to a multifunction button, follow the same process and select the group option. When you're all done, press apply. Now you can see what each of the multifunction buttons has been set up to control. Let's test them. It's not necessary to have the menu visible when using the buttons. We've made it display in this example for instruction purposes. Each time you press a multifunction button, the touch panel provides user feedback. Remember, a multifunction button connected to an individual device mimics the control functionality. So in the case of a dimmer, it's possible to press and hold to dim, and short press to turn on and off. It also toggles the state of the connected device. If it's on, pressing the button will turn it off, and vice versa. Activating scenes provides a similar on-screen feedback for the user. Congratulations, your PIXIE multifunction buttons are now set up.